Python vs C++. Python and C++ are general purpose programming languages. However, Python is quite different from C++. These two languages complement each other perfectly. Python is mostly used as a scripting language. Python with C++. Python is typically an interpreted language, whereas C++ is typically a compiled language. Python is a dynamic type language, whereas C++ is compiled statically type language. Data type is not required while declaring a variable in Python, whereas data type is required while declaring a variable in C++. Python can act as a scripting and general purpose language, whereas C++ is a general purpose programming language. What is a scripting language? A scripting language is a programming language designed for integrating and communicating with other programming languages. Most widely used scripting languages are JavaScript, VBScript, PHP, Perl, Python, Ruby, ASP, and TCL. Let us see the difference between a scripting language and a programming language. It is typically an interpreted language, whereas programming language is typically a compiled language. Scripting language does not require the compilation step, whereas programming language need to be compiled before running. Scripting language requires an interpreter, whereas programming language requires a compiler. Let us see the advantages and disadvantages of both Python and C++. Advantages of Python: easy to learn, easy to access libraries, scientific community sharing, open source, and many libraries are there. Advantages of C++: execution speed is higher than Python, pre-compiled, that is exe on machine, typed, that is well defined, modern professional libraries in C++. Disadvantages of Python: it is slow, it is interpreted dependencies, it is not typed, errors at runtime. Finally, the disadvantages of C++: learning curve, harder to access the libraries, less sharing than in Python.